Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. So, I picked up a pretty cool product and I want to share it with you guys. I think it's a useful item around your property, hiking, camping, whatever like that. So, we've all had little toy walkie-talkies that we play with as kids. They're fun. So, after a friend recommended these, we picked them up off of Amazon. These are the Cobra chat tags. And what we do is either I keep one or Mrs. Skinny Medic keeps one, and we give one to the kids. While they're on the property, if they need us, if there's an emergency or something happens, they can key up and talk to us. It's super simple to use, especially for little kids. They can use it, but it's lightweight. It's not like some bigger walkie-talkie that goes on our belt or that. This is super nice. They show it going to a backpack, stuff like that, so it's lightweight. So these are going to be line of sight use. On the advertisement, it says up to 11 or 12 miles. I don't see that, but line of sight is what I think they're going to be for. We have 5 acres here, and they work just fine. We can be inside, the living room, the kitchen, whatever, and the kids on the other side of the property, and they can key up, and their voice transmission is completely clear. It says we have 10 hours of battery life, and so far I actually believe that because we keep it on standby most of the time anyway, so we're not like talking a lot heavy on, which is going to run your battery life down. So we've charged them up one time, and that's it. We've been using them for a few weeks now and have not had to recharge them yet. There is our recharging plug there and an audio out plug. So they have a nice rubber coating on the outside, so if the kids drop it, something like that, they're not going to break it. And it is waterproof up to an IPX4. So like I said, it only has a couple of buttons here to use. We have an on-off switch here, which it talks to you as well, so I like that. So we push and hold the button, and then it's going to turn on for us.
Hello, this system is on.
Pretty cool. We have a transmit button here, which is nice and large. And then you have a volume button up and down. You can change that. It has multi-channel use as well. So if you want to change the channel, you press and hold the memory button, which is also the on and off button.
Channel 2.
Tells you on channel 2.
3.
So we push up.
2.
So pretty cool. It gives you feedback like that, especially if you're got on a backpack, things like that, you want to change it, then you don't have to actually look and see at a screen what you're doing. You can kind of feel it with your fingers and change. So I like that. It's a cool feature. And then to turn it off, we're going to press and hold the on-off button.
Bye-bye.
Tells you bye. So cooler product, especially for kids, things like that in your life. It's super small. I like it. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.